failed Senate.
The Ministry of Finance, together with other stakeholders, today revealed the plan to implement government programs through follow-ups on public investment implementation accountability. According to Julius Mukunda from the Civil Society Budget Advocacy Group, government can only execute projects in time if they desist from acts of postponing deadlines.
When you plan today to construct a road and then another supplementary budget comes, then you stop doing the road and you start focusing on that. You disrupt service delivery targets, but also the budget process. So we believe that we think that this assessment should help us come up with concrete actions on how to reduce on supplementary spending.
Members of the civil society are more than ready to work with the government by involving local government in the implementation of monitoring systems.
We are still lacking monitoring mechanisms, especially for like tax exemptions we give, because you give somebody tax exemption with conditions. If those conditions are not fulfilled, you withdraw them. But currently we don't have them. So we are saying that this assessment should also help us to ensure that we concretize and have those monitoring mechanisms.
The permanent secretary in the Ministry of Finance and secretary to the Treasury, Ramadan Ngowe, says they are ready to support execution of projects.
In recent years, it has been COVID-19. That one is understandable. It has affected the projects. But even before COVID, projects were delaying. So we want to see those factors which are humanly, which are being caused by the very people who are managing projects, dealt with and eliminated, so that projects are completed on time and on budget to save money.
Ngowe says that it is now the time for implementers to present well-established projects that will determine economic investment before jumping on incoming projects that will freeze the latter.
In the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development now, it is a rule. No project will go into the budget when it has not been fully studied. It doesn't matter where this project is coming from. The projects must be well evaluated, and the evaluation should be economic in nature, not just financial.
Why it's important is that the local government also right now needs to be supported so that they contribute to revenue generation for the country. They cannot generate more revenue without their capacity being developed. That's why we're advocating for more, funding for local government as well.
To resolve challenges of Ugandans, including access to finance, knowledge and skills, government shall pursue establishment of local content fund to support suppliers at the local government level, thus improving performance. Lucky Atwere Binjura, CTV, PM Edition.